Hi. Hi, hello there. Dr. Simon Wade. Really pleased to be bringing you details of the next CPD webinar for GPs and nurses. And that's taking place on Monday, the 2nd of March, 8 p.m. GMT for an hour. And you'll get a CPD credit for that. And on Monday, Dr. Daniel Dietch is presenting on bipolar disorder in primary care, part 2, which is all about management. So look forward to you joining us for the live and interactive webinar. Now, I just want to tell you a little bit more about the webinar. So it's on Monday, the 2nd of March, Daniel Dietch, and he'll be presenting on bipolar disorder in primary care, part 2, management. And on the last webinar, a couple of weeks ago, he did a part 1 and focused on diagnosis. And in this webinar, we're focusing on some of the management issues that are relevant to GPs. So the learning outcomes from this webinar are going to be firstly, some useful non-pharmacological strategies, so nutrition, omega-3, sleep. Secondly, some medication options for management. Thirdly, what to do with that lithium result. When you get a lithium result coming through, how do you deal with that? And fourthly, admission avoidance, how to stop an episode escalating. So really useful practical stuff in this upcoming webinar. If you attended the first webinar, you'll be auto-registered for the second one. That's my gift to you. Remember, the webinars are free if you're a monthly subscriber or if you work for IC24, and otherwise it's very easy to pay to attend this one-off webinar, or you can take a £10 trial and get access to 4 live webinars over the course of the next month. So cracking value, £10 for 4 webinars, just so that you can try it out. I'm really passionate about helping GP colleagues with work-life integration, work-life balance. I'm a GP, so I know how busy it is. I know how stressful it can get. We've got our busy work day schedules, and we've got our home life, family life, and we want to keep our sanity. And somewhere in between, we've still got to do our CPD. So webinars for GPs was started in January 2013 as a way to cut down the time required to collect CPD credits, so you can do quality CPD from the comfort of your own home. And all you need is internet access with audio and a computer device. So excuse me, I've got a frog in my throat. All you need to access a live and interactive webinar is internet with a device with audio. So home computer, laptop, tablet device like an iPad or a smartphone. Excuse me. So it's easy to access in whatever device, smartphone, tablet device, laptop, home computer, with an internet connection. And if you haven't got internet, you can even dial in from a landline or mobile phone and listen into the training. But obviously it's better to use the internet so that you could get access to the slides in the screen. So I've been running live and interactive web-based seminars or webinars for CPD credits and CME for GPs since January 2013. We're doing them every week, live and interactive, and the audience are growing. We've got an international audience now, colleagues registering from Sweden, New Zealand, Australia, which is really exciting. So you can tell I'm passionate about webinars and helping GP colleagues with their CPD. I'll tell you a little bit about our speaker, Dr. Dietch, in case you weren't on part 1. So Daniel Dietch is an FRCP, DCH, MRCGP. Daniel graduated from Manchester University in 1992 and gained experience in general and acute medicine before moving into general practice in 2000. He's been a partner at Lonsdale Medical Centre, a large teaching practice in Northwest London, since 2001, and he's got a diverse range of interests, including mental health, obviously, nutrition, rheumatology, and internal medicine. And within primary care, Daniel provides an innovative service for patients with bipolar disorder, working closely with GP and psychiatry colleagues. And Daniel presented at academic meetings, including at the International Society for Bipolar Disorders. He's also presented at the Royal College of GPs, the Royal College of Psychiatrists, and the Institute of Psychiatry in London. So remember, when you register for the webinar, if you're on the registration page, which is www.webinars4GPs.com/next-CPD-webinar-GPs-nurses. You'll see the details in the description if you're watching this on YouTube. When you register, you click the yellow button to register one-off for this webinar, or further down the page, there's an orange button to take the £10 trial for a month. And remember, when you register for the webinar, you'll be emailed a unique set of logins, a confirmation email, and that's a unique link for you to the webinar. And remember, if you've registered and then you can't attend the live webinar, if life or work gets in the way, as long as you've registered, you'll be emailed the details to watch the recording, and you can take that in at your leisure. So I hope you come on the webinar. I hope you'll enjoy it. Look forward to your feedback, and thank you for your time. Thank you for watching this. Bye for now.